Alright. So while we're waiting for everybody else to join, everybody settle down. Don't have to be busy with anything. Take your bag, keep it that place. Yeah. Just take out your notebook if you have to write something. Okay. Who joined? Turn on your video so that I can see the name, see who it is. Okay. Here's Sohita. Alright, so let's do the tables first, quickly. No, sit properly, sit properly. This is a math class. It is supposed to be as serious as you can imagine. So table Sohita, table till. Unmute yourself, you're mute. 9. Okay. I will not check till 9, I'll check till 8, and if I see you not making any mistake, then only I'll go to 9, okay? Because I'm not in a hurry. Alright, 8 7 ja.
65.
8 7 ja.
63.
56. 6 9 ja.
54.
4 8 ja.
36. 32.
Okay. 6 6 ja.
36.
5 9 ja.
54.
5 9 ja.
45.
4 7 ja.
28.
6 9 ja.
54.
7 7 ja.
49.
8 6 ja.
48.
8 9 ja.
72.
9 3 ja.
54.
9 3 ja. 27.
I thought you said 9. 6.
Okay. Let's see. 9 7 ja.
63.
9 9 ja.
81.
So it seems that you have memorized table of 9. That is very good sign, okay? I don't want you to go to 10. There is nothing to do in 10 actually. 10 is very easy. So is the case with 11 also. So let's not go to 10 and 11 for now. Let's stay till 9, okay? And I would want you to spend next 3 weeks to make sure that till table of 9 we are answering like this and we are not making any mistake, okay? That should be our goal. But a very good job done. Sohita, I'm very happy for you. This is for you. Okay? Alright, let's go to.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, beta.
Table
Okay.
till 9.
Okay, 9 7 ja.
63.
5 9 ja.
45.
6 8 ja.
48.
7 3 ja.
21.
8 4 ja.
32.
9 6 ja.
54.
8 8 ja.
What did you say?
8 8 ja.
64.
9 9 ja.
81.
7 8 ja.
56.
9 4 ja.
36.
So you have memorized table till 9 for sure. I'm very happy and I'm not very happy as well. I'll tell you why.
Because
I'm happy because you are giving the answer. And in summer, right, when you turn on the fan, what happens? Fan starts. Same thing, whenever I'm asking a question, your calculation start. 45. I see a machine working behind. So see, I'm very impressed that you are able to even if you're counting very fast. Okay? That is a good thing. But you're still counting. And I would not say that you're counting till 9. I mean, you're counting everything. You're counting after 6.
I
Till
didn't count all of them, like 9 and
no, so that's what I'm saying. So I'm very impressed with all the accurate answer, and you're not taking a lot of time, because even if you're counting very fast, which is a good thing. Okay, I would not force that. Okay, you have to always do the way I'm wanting, because you're doing quick counting. Whatever way you're memorizing, continue doing that. Okay, I don't mind right now, because I did not get a wrong answer. That gives me the confidence that yes, you are at least learning the right way. So I would respect your effort. Do it the same way. I want the answer to come faster. If you're okay counting, keep counting. I don't mind. But 9, 6, or 54 it has to come like this. Whether it comes by counting or it comes by memorizing, I'll leave it to you. Okay. But today you did a very good job. So that certainly deserves a round of applause. So good job. Okay. Then let's see. Ranveer is very, very sad after seeing me every day. You are only meeting me once in a week. Why you have to be sad?
I'm tired.
Why you have to be tired? Do you know what is my age?
No.
Do you want to know?
I want to know.
So Ita, do you know how old I am?
Like in the 40s or 50s?
I'm 49.
63.
63? That is 9 7 63. So I'm not 9 7 yet. I'm 7 7 49. Okay? So I have one more year before I become 10 5 50. Okay? So to you, Ranveer, when you say I'm tired, you know, I work for 8 hours in the office. I
4
drive.
to the 8.
Yeah.
I am 4 to the 8.
Right. So here, to Ranveer, I'm saying I work 8 hours every day. I drive 3 hours to work and come back. I go to Irving every day, and Sohita knows where is Irving. If I'm not tired, nobody has the option of being tired. Okay? Because when we get tired, we just go to sleep.
Yeah.
That's after you complete your day. Do you want to sleep right now?
Yes, please.
No.
No. Right. Okay. Don't be tired. That's not a. I hear that from kids, and I don't feel happy about it. When kids say I'm tired, that means you have no energy left. No, that is not acceptable. Okay? Look at a 49-year-old man. If I am not tired, you guys have no reason for being tired. And if you're tired, that means you're not eating well. When you go home, make sure you're eating a lot of fruits, drinking a lot of milk.
I
Okay?
need some ice cream.
Yeah. Okay. Now come back to serious thing. Okay. Yeah, Sohita, you're saying something?
We learned about measurements today.
Okay.
And when we learn about measurements,
We will. So I had a plan to introduce you guys to fraction today.
Oh, fraction, I didn't know
I only do those.
Oh, wonderful. That's okay. If you know it, we will revise and then we'll talk about measurements also. Why you have to cry for everything, Ranveer?
I'm not.
Shh. If I'm talking to Ranveer, it's only me talking to Ranveer. Okay? Nobody else pokes his or her nose into it. Yeah. So Ranveer, let's check the tables. So table till 3 5 there. I like it.
15,
2 8 there.
16,
3 7 there. Hello, you can.
20,
3 7 20.
21.
You don't have to let him try. Everybody has to learn for himself.
21,
2 10 here.
20,
3 10 here.
30,
2 9 ja.
18.
3 7 ja.
3.
7 ja. Look Kanishka.
21.
3 9 ja.
27.
So see, you did not give me a wrong answer at all. Okay, you did not give me a wrong answer. You only gave me one wrong answer, that was 3 7 ja. You said 20 first. When I asked you to check again, you said 20. Okay, so I want you to memorize more. Okay, keep memorizing it. Don't go to 4. I want you to be perfect till 3 and then we'll go to 4. Okay. Hey Kavi. So we have Kavi, Kanishka and Yugen. Everybody ready to check the tables? Yugen, table till?
Yes.
Kavi, turn on your video.
We're trying to, but it's not working.
Okay. You go on mute. Keep trying while I'm checking table for Yugen and Kanishka. Yugen, ready?
Yeah.
Table till?
5.
4 9 ja.
36.
3 8 ja.
24.
4 7 ja.
28.
5 3 ja.
15.
5 9 ja.
I can't take it through.
Okay. So that means you need to memorize. Okay. But you did not give me any wrong answer. That means you are practicing. I want you to practice more. Don't go to 6. Stay till 5 for next 2 weeks. Make sure that the tables that you are memorizing, Yogan, the answer should come like this. If I say 5 6 are 30, 4 9 are 36, 3 7 are 21, 4 9 are 36. It has to come instantaneously. Okay. Once you get to that point, then only you will see your teacher smiling and being happy about it. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Yep. Let's go to Kanishka.
Yes.
Everybody else should be on mute. They will unmute themselves only when they are talking. Okay. Yeah. Kanishka, ready? Table till? Ravi, sit down. Sit down. 4. 3 7 ja. I'm asking Kanishka right now.
21.
4 5 ja. Okay, so Ranveer, what you can do is, whatever I'm asking, just keep writing on your notebook here. If I say 5 9 ja, and if you know what the answer is, write it on your notebook, okay? So that you get to practice and I get the right answer from here. Okay, not here. This is already written. I'll say whatever I say, you just write here, okay? So that way you stay busy and you will be able to recollect what you already know, okay? Whatever you know, you can write it. Okay, 3 6 ja.
9.
18.
Oh, 18.
4 5 ja.
4 5. 20.
3 8 ja. Write it down.
24.
Okay. So I want you also to spend those 5 minutes for your old teacher, okay? Here is your old teacher who's been asking everybody to spend 5 minutes with the table every day in a more playful way. Pick up a table. Let's say you're trying to memorize table till 4. So you'll start with 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 6 ja 12, 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 2 10 ja 20. You'll do one by one. You'll cover it and then try to remember. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. Likewise, do 2 3 4 Practice it 2-3 times every day. It doesn't take more than 5 minutes. Once you do it, take the notebook to your parents, say, okay, fine, ask me questions. Okay? So that's the only way you can check whether you have memorized it okay or not. And that's a 5-minute thing that you have to do every day. Everybody, okay? Not only for Kanishka. It's for Yugan, it's for Sohita, it's for Kavi, it's for Yug, it's for Ranveer, everybody. Okay? Ranveer, stop drawing my picture. Don't draw my picture, I don't look great. Okay. Alright, so coming back to Kavi. Kavi, ready? Oh, don't play with emojis, that's not good. Kavi, ready?
Few tables.
Table till?
2.
2. 2 4 ja.
8.
2 9 ja.
18.
2 7 ja. Write it down. Whatever I'm asking, just write it down so that way you get to revise. Okay?
16.
2 10 ja.
20.
2 4 ja.
8.
Okay. So we'll do one table. I know Sohita and you probably would remember it, but for everybody's benefit, okay? I will just show you guys how do we do tables real quick. We'll do table of 3 and 4, okay? Everybody will just sing it with me, okay? I will say, then Yugan says, then Sohita says, then Kanishka says, then Kavi says, then Ranveer, stop playing, sit down properly. I can only entertain fun to some extent. As soon as I see somebody is disturbing the class, I'll not let it happen, okay? Stay serious, no matter how tired you are, okay? Only next 50 minutes. Everybody has to be serious. Alright? So, I will say something, Yugan will repeat whatever I say, Sohita, then Kanishka, then Kavi, then Ranveer, then you, okay? Even if you know it. Table of 3, I'm starting. 3 1 ja 3, Yugan. You just repeat whatever I say. Unmute, everybody unmutes themselves. Let's do it for next 5 minutes. 3 1 ja 3, Sohita.
3 1 3.
Kanishka.
3 1 3.
Kavi.
3 1 3.
3 1 3.
3 2 ja 6, Yugan. Same order. Don't wait for me.
6. 3 2 6.
Kanishka. Everybody stay unmuted. Kavi.
3 2 6.
Ranveer.
3 2 6.
Can you sit down for God's sake?
3 2 6.
3 3 ja 9.
3 3 9.
Sohita.
3 3 9.
Kanishka. Quick.
3 3 9.
Kavi.
3 9.
3 3 ja 9.
3 3 9.
Yug.
3 3 9.
3 4 ja 12.
3 4 12. 3 4 12.
Kanishka.
3 4 12.
Kavi.
3 4 12.
Ranveer.
3 4 12. 3 4 12.
3 5 ja 15. Yugan.
3 5 15. 3 5 15.
3 5 13.
Kavi.
3 5 15.
And guys, don't play with emojis, okay? That's not good. Ranveer.
3 5 15. 3 5 15.
3 6 ja 18. Yugan.
Look.
3 6 ja 18.
3 6 18. 3 6 18.
Kanishka.
3 6 18.
Kavi.
3 6 18.
Ranveer.
3 6 18. 3 6 18.
3 7 ja 21.
3 7 21. 3 7 21.
Kanishka.
3 7 huh?
3 7 ja 21.
3 7 21.
Listen to what your friends say, okay? That way it will help you
3
memorize.
7 21.
3 7 21. 3 7 21.
3 8 ja 24.
3 24.
Sohita.
3 24.
Kanishka.
3 4.
Kavi.
360.
3 8 are 24. So I'm saying stay attentive and listen to what your friends say. If 5 people have said 3 8 are 24, that means you should not have any confusion about it. 3 8 are 24.
3 is 24.
3 is 24. 3 is
3 9 are 27.
What?
You can 3 9 are 27. Kaniska, don't do that, beta.
9 is 27. 9 is 27.
Kaniska, after Sohita, it's your turn always. Kavi.
3 9 is 27. 3 9 is 27. 3 9 is 27.
3 10 are 30.
3 is 30.
Everybody say with me, okay? I will not wait for everybody to say one by one. Everybody just say after me, right after me, okay? Everybody can say together. 3 10 are 30.
3 10 are 30.
Don't make so much noise that others cannot listen or say. Now we'll do 4 quickly, okay? So Jiyog and Sohita are excluded, okay? They have memorized the table of 4, so I'll not let them speak, okay? So 4 1 are 4. 4 2 are 8.
4 2 is 8. 4 2 is 8.
4 3 are 12. Everybody together.
4 3 is
12.
4 4 are 16.
4 4 is 16.
4 5 are 20.
4 5 is 20.
4 6 are 24.
4 6
4 6 is 24.
4 7 are 28.
4 7
4 7 is 28.
4 8 are 32.
4
4 8 is 32.
What did you say?
4 32.
4 9 are 36.
4 9 is
36.
4 10 are 40.
4 10 is 40.
Now, if you guys noticed, the table of 3 and 4, we did it together in less than 5 minutes. That is the time I'm asking you guys to spend every day. Okay? And when you are memorizing tables, no distraction, no games, no TV, no phone. Only tables for 5 minutes. That's the only thing I'm asking you guys to do. Now, what are we going to learn today? There are two things. Yeah. There are two things that we are going to learn today. One is we will try to understand what is fraction, and then how do we use it. You might say I know it, and I can tell you in writing that you know nothing about it. Because there is a lot to learn. Okay. You might have heard the word fraction, and you might think that okay, I know everything. World is very big. You guys are very small still. Okay.
I know fraction.
I will prove you also wrong when I give you some problems to solve. Okay. So don't. No unnecessary discussion, please, for my neighbor's sake. Because God you don't believe in any which way. Yeah, Kaniska.
Wow, can we learn time? I have confusion of times.
Time. Okay. So we will come back to time as well. Let's try understanding fraction first. We'll come back to time. Yes, Kavi.
What is the main thing we're doing in this class right now?
Are you learning history, US history?
We're just learning math.
Yes.
So we were supposed to
So
learn problems.
then that question should not come. Okay. What was your reason for that question, Kavi?
That was my question.
No, that question is not valid. Let's not spend any time on things that is not important. Okay. Otherwise, Kaniska is trying to learn time, and every unnecessary discussion we get into, we are actually wasting one thing, that is time. Okay. All right. Now, everybody, make sure that no unnecessary discussion, please. Listen to me carefully. Ranveer, leave that thing aside. Kaniska, no talking right now. Listen to what I'm saying, okay? All right, hands down. Now, if I have something like 1 divided by 2. Okay? 1 divided by 2. Imagine this like a candy. This is your candy bar. If I'm saying 1 by 2, what I'm trying to do, I'm saying that I will divide this candy to among 2 people. Let me explain. When there is a question to be asked, I will ask the question. Not my every sentence needs a response. Just try processing that information, okay? I will ask questions when I need to ask. So if I say 1 by 2, it is a fraction. This is called a fraction. Now let's try understanding what does it mean. I'm saying 1 is divided among 2. Meaning there was 1 candy bar and there were 2 kids. Let's say this was Ranveer and this was Kali. So half goes to Ranveer, half goes to Kali. What are we talking about? We are saying that one thing got divided among 2 people and everybody got half of the thing. Okay?
So what?
Don't know, so what? Do so what? Char so what? Not needed. Hold it there. Okay? So this is one example. Now if I say, I have a mango, okay? 1 mango. I have 1 mango. And there are 3 kids. What am I doing? I am dividing 1 among 3 kids. 1 mango divided among 3 kids. Everybody gets how much? 1/3 of the mango. Yeah?
Yeah.
Now, if I have 1 watermelon. Watermelons are big, right? Can you eat 1 watermelon by yourself? Probably not. It will be a little too much.
My friend can do it.
I don't care about your friend. Okay? I'm talking about normal people. Normal people, normal human being, not the demons. Okay? I'm talking about a big watermelon that you get in a Costco or Walmart. A big one. Like
But
which you have to.
India Bazaar.
No unnecessary discussions. Okay? I'm saying I'm getting a big watermelon, this big watermelon. Okay? Nobody can eat it, right? Mostly we buy it for the family. Let's say, or for friends. Let's say we have invited 10 friends to our place, and that's why we got 1 big watermelon, very big watermelon.
Big chunky.
And I had 10 friends. There's something called. No, Ranveer, I'm not liking it. I'm not liking what you're doing either. Don't create disturbance for no reason. Listen to what I'm saying, otherwise you'll be lost completely with the thoughts, okay? Even if you guys think that you know everything, you still have opportunity to learn a lot of things. Let's focus on this. I got a big watermelon and I have 10 friends coming to my place, among whom I wanted to distribute. How much everybody gets? What am I doing actually? I'm dividing this into 10 equal size pieces. 10 equal pieces. I'm dividing 1 watermelon among 10 people. Yeah? How much everybody is getting?
1/10.
1/10. This is the basic understanding of fraction. Sit down. Okay? So now, whenever you are talking about fraction, you are talking about distributing something equally. Okay? Now, look at this. Interesting thing. Same candy which was distributed among, let's say, Sohita and, let's say, Yugan. Okay? So, I had 1 candy bar. I distributed among Sohita and Yugan. Yes, Sohita.
This THA at the end.
Okay. Don't worry about that. Okay? My spelling will not go in your certificate, so don't worry about it. Now, so I had a candy bar and I had 2 kids among whom I had to distribute. Sohita and Yugan, let's say. How much? What do? I have 1 candy bar, I'm dividing among 2 people. So Sohita gets half of it and Yugan gets second half, another half of it. When I put them together, what it becomes?
1/2.
When I put them together, what happens?
Oh.
It becomes 1 whole.
1 whole.
One.
1 whole.
1 whole.
right? So what is happening here is I had one candy bar. I divided into two parts. Everybody gets half. So Rita and Yugen got half. When I add them together, what it becomes? One whole. Yep.
Yeah.
Now imagine the same thing that is happening here. Let's say if I had something which I divided into two equal parts, it becomes one half, one half. When I add them together, it becomes one whole. What happened, Kanishka? You dropped? Okay.
I pressed
Okay.
a button and it made me sign out.
Okay. No worries. So what we're talking about is I had a candy bar. I divided among two kids, meaning everybody gets half. Half got, Kanishka got half, Sarita got half. Now when I add both the halves together, what I get is one whole thing. Similarly, if I had a mango, I don't know if it looks like mango or not, but I had three kids. Everybody gets 1/3.
Yeah.
1/3. When I join all 1/3s together, what do I get? See, look at this. This mango was divided equally among three kids. This is one, this is second one, and this is the third one. When I add that, this is one third, this is 1/3, this is 1/3. When I add 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3, what do I get? One whole. Correct?
Correct.
So this is how you can think about it in a reverse way. Let's say if I have the same watermelon.
I don't understand that.
What is that?
I don't understand.
Okay. So that's why I'm doing it over and over again. So just pay attention to what I'm saying, okay? But in between, I will request everybody not to play with emojis. When you guys keep on pressing this button or this button or this button or this button, this is nothing but disturbance. Don't do that, okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now coming back to this one. Kavi, okay? All okay, Kavi?
The screen was too small.
Too small. Now it's better.
Yeah.
Whenever the screen becomes small, double click on that screen will become bigger, okay? Then you can see the board better. Alright? Okay. Now coming back to this one. So what I was saying was, let's go step by step. And this fraction is a very, very important thing, okay? It is very easy to understand. Now, let's look at it. What happened, Sarita?
Nothing.
Okay. Okay.
And my
Now,
screen was too small.
double click on that screen, it will become big. Okay?
Good.
Okay. Now, let's say I have, let's say, one big cake. I got a big cake, okay? Okay, guys, don't
I
keep
can't
talking.
hear you.
You can't hear me?
Mm-hmm.
No, you can't hear me?
No.
Disconnect and join. Okay. So I think Sarita was able to hear me. As soon as I said disconnect and join, she could join. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's say I have a cake or a pizza, let's say. Okay? I have a pizza. And how many kids are there in the class?
What?
We
1, 2, 5.
have. Okay, sit down. Why are you finding opportunities to waste your time?
7.
7.
We have total 5 kids in the class. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kids in the class. Okay? So, if I have to, okay, shh, guys, don't get distracted. We have 6 kids in the class and I have 1 pizza.
Okay.
How much everybody gets?
1/6.
1/6? Yeah, Kanishka?
1/6. 1/6.
So it's simple. 1 pizza divided among 6 kids. Everybody gets 1/6. Yeah? So this is 1/6. This is another 1/6. This is one more 6. 1/6.
1/6.
3 plus. Okay.
1/6.
I heard it. Everybody get. Okay. Guys,
Fine.
keep it there. Okay.
No.
We will have a singing class sometime later. Right now it's a math class. No singing, please. Here. So I have this pizza. One pizza divided among 6 kids. Every piece of the pizza that you see is 1/6. Yep. Is that okay?
So that's 7. That's 7.
Yes.
The thing is 7. 1, 2.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. Okay.
If everybody gets one slice of pizza, if everybody gets only a slice, then that will be. But if everybody only gets 0 slices,
Okay, guys, you guys are talking too much without any content to it. Okay, this is the pizza. I divided this pizza among 6 kids so that everybody gets 1 slice. Is that okay?
Yeah.
yes, that's okay.
Everybody got 1/6. So if I say this one got, Sohita got this one. How much is this one that I have colored? 1/6. 1/6. Don't rush to give a wrong answer. Think, make your brain work, okay? Now, this is for Sohita. Let's say this slice is.
Sir, is your camera off?
No.
Okay, then it's fine.
Okay. So, this, if you cannot see it, you'll have to disconnect and join again, okay? So, this is Sohita's piece. This is 1/6. Let's say this one is for Kanishka. This is Kanishka. Kanishka got how much?
1/6.
Kanishka also got 1/6, right? As a teacher, I have to be fair so that everybody.
One part. 1/6.
Think about the question, then read the answer. Okay? Sohita got one part of the pizza, which is 1/6. Now, Kanishka also got one more piece, that is also 1/6, right? Can I say 1/6 plus 1/6, 2/6? Does that look okay?
No.
No.
Why? 1 apple plus 1 apple is how many apples?
2 apples.
So 1/6 plus 1/6 becomes how many sixths?
2.
2/6.
Yeah?
6.
Let's say this one Kavi, I gave this piece to Kavi. This piece is also 1/6. Can you guys stop murmuring?
I didn't do anything.
What is that?
I didn't do anything.
I'm hearing some murmuring sound.
It's not me.
If I hear it, my ears are working. Okay, so I'm saying this piece is 1/6. This one given to Sohita. This is 1/6 that is given to Kanishka. This is 1/6 given to Kavi. How many sixths we are talking about? 1/6 plus 1 more 6, 2/6. Including this one became 1 more 6. This is 3/6 now. Correct?
Yes, that is 3/6.
If I give this is Kavi, okay? Now I give this piece to Yug. Okay? This piece to Yug.
Okay.
This is also 1/6. How much is this, the colored portion?
4/6.
4/6. I give this piece to now Yugen. Yugen, okay? Yugen also got 1/6. What we are talking about right now?
6.
5,
5,
6.
6.
This piece I gave to Ranveer. Ranveer had not got the pizza yet.
What about me? Oh, I have.
Are you literate or not? I have written your name here.
Yeah.
Okay? So Ranveer also got 1/6 now. What are you talking about right now?
Pizza.
6.
6, 6. That covers the whole pizza?
Yes.
That became one whole.
Technically one whole donut.
Technically, scientifically, magically.
Practically one whole donut.
One whole.
Yes.
6.
Okay. Okay. So what you guys are seeing here, if I divide something into 6 pieces, everything is 1/6, and if I add it all together, that becomes one whole. Guys, stop murmuring. That is not needed. Who's singing right now? Please don't sing. Pay attention to what I'm saying right now.
Yeah.
No, Shweta, no. Don't do that. Okay? So here, everybody here. What happened, Kavi? Now, everybody stays calm. When you get distracted, take a deep breath and recall that you are in a math class. It's not a singing class, not a dancing class, not a playground either. Everybody stays focused, okay? Yeah. Kanishka, you were saying something? You raised your
I
hand.
have a question.
Tell me.
I don't understand.
That is not a good question.
Well, I have a question about it. I don't
Okay,
understand.
okay. That's why I want everybody to pay attention and not to get distracted. Ranveer here. I have okay, take a deep breath. That is what you guys need right now. Take a deep breath and think that you will fail this subject if you don't pay attention. Calm down, okay? Now, let's say I have one pumpkin. Okay? I have a pumpkin and there are 3 kids. Okay? And I have to make sure that I'm being fair when I'm distributing it equally. Kanishka, you were saying that you did not understand. If you keep laughing when I'm teaching, how will you understand, beta? Okay? Yep. Alright. So I have a pumpkin. I have one pumpkin. And I have to distribute it among 3 kids. How much everybody gets? It's a question for Kanishka. You're talking to the mute button. Unmute and tell me.
Wait, what was the question?
I was saying I have one pumpkin and there are 3 people who want it. Okay? I have to distribute it equally. How much everybody gets?
3.
Are you Kanishka?
2.
Yeah, Kanishka.
1 piece, everybody?
What is that one piece? I'll come to you, Kavi. Wait. I am dividing. Okay, Kavi, what is your answer?
1-3.
1/3. 1/3. Yeah. 1 is divided among 3 people. So everybody gets 1/3. Right? Let's say you are about to go for dinner and mommy says, how many chapatis you want?
Puppies?
Or roti, whatever you call it. Okay?
Roti.
Or dosa, let's say. And you're not very hungry. You will say, don't give me 1, give me half. What are you talking about? We're talking about if the dosa is like this, you're talking about half of it. Yeah? Meaning divide the dosa into 2 equal parts. I want 1 part, which is half of it. Yeah? Kavi, is that making sense? Kanishka, did you understand now?
So is it like if you have, I'll say 2 people and then you want,
I don't know how many times I can tell you the same thing. Okay. Kavi, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, Kaniska, complete your thought.
So, if we have 3 people, and then let's say if we want to go to
Okay, simple. Very simple. Let me make it simple for you.
yeah, my
Okay, very simple. You have one candy bar, okay? If you have to give it, distribute among 2 people, or divide that candy bar among 2 people, everybody gets 1 by 2. If you have to divide this among 3 people, everybody gets 1 by 3. Kavi, don't do that. Kavi, don't do that. No. Kavi, don't do that. Don't change your... Kavi, do you know how to go back to normal?
I don't think so.
Why did you do it then? Ask somebody to change it right away. Please.
Okay.
No, and I don't entertain these things in the class, please. That is
You click the button, the same button you press,
yeah.
and then you get it back.
Yeah. And I would request everybody to be very serious, okay? I know we are doing a lot of fun in the class, but that doesn't mean that you can do anything and everything possible. Not good. Now coming back to this one. I had this candy bar. If I had to distribute among 2 people, I divide into 2 pieces, 1 by 2. If I have to divide it among 3 people, everybody gets 1/3. If I divide it among 4 people, divide among 4 people, 1 by 4. If I have to divide among 5 people, 1 by 5. If I have to divide among 6 people, 1 by 6. Is this okay to understand?
Yeah, I can understand.
Yes.
Kaniska, are you clear now?
Huh?
Are you clear now?
Uh-huh.
Sure?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Now, what else?
I'm not clear.
Who's not clear?
Me.
Why?
Because why did it have to do that many times?
Now tell me what was my question in the first place? What I was trying to achieve? Tell me.
Are you adding or dividing?
I'm not doing anything. I'm just saying I have one candy to be distributed among 2 people. I'm dividing one candy among 2 people. What am I doing? Yeah, you can tell me. What am I doing?
You're splitting the one candy into 2
Two.
pieces.
Yeah, so I'm dividing one candy into among 2 people, or I'm breaking into 2 equal pieces. That is 1 by 2. Half. Okay? So is it clear now?
Yeah, that's clear.
Okay, now what if I had 3 people who were wanting this candy? What did I do? I split into 3 pieces, or I said 1 divided among 3. Every piece that you see here is 1/3. 1/3 of the candy. This is 1/3. This is 1/3. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
You can tell me.
How many more minutes do we have until class ends?
You can see it on your thing.
What is the urgency for knowing that? What have we learned so far?
Time. No, that's not yet. We have to.
Yeah, let's see what we have learned so far. Let's see what Sohit has to say. Yeah, tell me.
We learned about fractions today.
We have not learned anything yet. We are still struggling. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, Kavi, tell me.
We learned about how we can split things apart.
So, okay. So I'm still not convinced about you guys have learned anything so far, okay? Because I see everybody coming back with the same question with respect to the things that we do every day. So so you get to your point, we have 15 more minutes. We'll still spend 15. You want to fly? Don't fly. You were tired, right? Line needs a lot of energy, don't play.
Do you have homework for us?
Yeah, of course. Every class has homework. Okay, so coming back to this one. If I have a rectangular pizza,
Okay.
when will you grow up? At the age of 65? No, don't wait that long. It's not good. Okay. If I have a rectangular pizza and I have 4 friends coming, how much every friend gets? What do I have to do? Okay. So, did everybody hear my question? I said I have a rectangular pizza and I have 4 friends. How much every friend gets? I heard your answer already.
4 pieces.
That's what you know. Yeah. Yeah, Sohita, tell me how much everybody gets?
1.
I said I have 1 pizza and I have 4 friends coming who want this pizza. How much everybody gets? Yeah. Half of it?
4.
1/4.
1/4.
Yeah. Kanishka, is that okay?
1/4.
Kavi, 1/4. Yeah. If I had 5 people coming, then how much everybody gets? No. I don't need thumbs up. I need the answer.
Yes. 1/5.
1/5. 1/5. 1/5. Okay. You will. So let's say I split this pizza into 5 pieces like this. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's assume all are same size. This is my friend 1. This is my friend 2. This is my friend 3. This is for my friend 4 and this is for my friend 5. Okay? If I add, so this, my friend 1 got 1/5. My friend 2 got 1/5. Friend 3 also got 1/5. Friend 4 also got 1/5. Friend 5 also got 1/5. If I add all the slices together, what do I get?
5/5.
Okay. Sohita, tell me. If I add all the slices together, what do I get?
5/5.
5/5. Sohita, what do you answer, Sohita?
1/5.
No.
5/5.
So look at
One
this.
whole.
This my first friend got 1/5. My second friend also got 1/5. My third friend also got 1/5. My fourth friend also got 1/5. My fifth friend also got 1/5. I'm saying, yeah, tell me.
2/5.
What was my question? I said if I add the slices together, what do I get?
1 whole known as 5/5.
5/5 or the whole?
1 whole.
Yeah?
No, 5/5.
5/5. How will you write it? 5/5. When your numerator and denominator are same, what does it become? 1 whole. Yeah? Okay? Okay or not? Kavi, are you clear? Okay. Now let's look at this one more time. I had this, let's say, a piece of cake. Okay? I had a piece of cake and I had 3 friends. Okay? How much everybody gets if I have to distribute equally?
1/3.
Yes, Sohita, how much everybody gets if I have to distribute
I
it?
didn't raise my hand.
I see your hand being raised here.
1/3.
1/3. Yes, Kavi, you're right.
1/3.
So 1/3. Look at this. So like what Ranveer and you and Tavi said, everybody gets 1/3 of the of the cake. This is my friend 1, this is my friend 2, and this is my friend 3. Everybody got how much? 1/3.
No.
Yeah. Now, if I put all the 3 together, what we are talking about? One whole cake, isn't it? This is 1/3. This is also 1/3. This is also 1/3. So 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. What are we talking about? When my numerator and denominator both are same, it becomes 1 whole.
Yeah.
So what we have learned today is the basic concept. Ranveer, don't rush. Once we are done, I'll let you know. So what we learned today is, if I have something to be distributed equally, that is where we come across something called fraction. Okay? If I have a candy to be distributed among two kids, everybody gets 1/2. Half of the candy. Everybody gets half of the candy. So this is 1/2, this is 1/2. So 1/2 plus 1/2 becomes 2/2. 2/2. Or it becomes 2/2, which is equal to 1. Similarly, when you have something that you are distributing among 3 people, everybody gets 1/3. If you are distributing among 4 people, it's 1/4. 5 people, 1/5. And when you put all the pieces together, it becomes 1 whole. So we learned what is the fraction and what is the reverse of fraction. Yugan, is that clear?
Yes.
Kavi, is that clear? I will give. Did I say that we are done? No. So hold it. No, I did not say that. Daddy knows. When I say we are done, he will know. He will be the first person to know. Okay? Alright. So we learned about what is fraction. How do we interpret fraction and when do we use it? Okay? I will give you guys some simple questions to solve. Work on it. And I'm pretty sure many of you will go wrong. And that's okay. Going wrong is perfectly fine. What are you showing me, Kavi? You're talking to the mute button, I cannot hear you. Kavi, you're talking to the mute button, I cannot hear you.
I wasn't saying anything.
You were sharing something, that's why I was asking. Okay.
It's okay, Pooh.
Okay. Alright, so coming back to the point. Whatever we have tried to learn, we have not learned anything great. We just learned what do we mean by fraction, what do we mean by dividing something equally, and how does it relate to what we see every day. Okay? So I will give you guys some simple problems, very simple, easy peasy problems. Don't think of those as math problems, those are very common sense based problems, okay? So don't get stressed out while solving it, just apply what you see around yourself and then try solving it, okay? And I'm sure you guys will have more questions that we'll talk about in the next class. So right now we're trying to learn fraction. We just learned what do we mean by basic fraction. We'll learn more about it. So far we learned about 1/2. We will try learning what do we mean by 3/2. What does it mean? And then we look at how do we distribute them equally in different boxes, okay? We'll use different methods for...
Called equal shares.
Yeah, equal shares, yes. So that's why I'm stressing so much on understanding what do we mean by fraction, and then we'll try relating that to learn the little bigger perspective of where do we apply them, okay? Yeah?
Okay.
Alright, so I'll let you guys go. Enjoy the rest of the evening. Have a good dinner and a good night's sleep. Talk to you guys next week.
Bye.
Alright, bye-bye, 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 bye-bye,
Bye.
bye-bye, bye-bye.